Oh man, I'm so sorry that you guys couldn't hear me on the YouTubes. My mic was muted this whole time. Wow, what a fail. Thank you for letting me know, Elder Adonis. Thank you for letting me know that my mic was muted. Appreciate everybody on YouTube letting me know that I was on mute. But I was saying, Onyx Protocol, 47 million platform DEX, right? Protocol 404 ERC 20 tokens. ERC 404 tokens are extremely bullish right now. People are, jumping into this market. They're pretty much like inscriptions, but on the Ethereum network, combining NFTs with meme coin like tokens at the same time. Very interesting. As you mint the tokens, you automatically get minted some NFTs and it gets dropped into your wallet. So extremely, extremely bullish. If they combine, they can do some damage. So Onyx Protocol is one I'm going to keep an eye on. Thank you for letting me know about that. I love it when people in the chat drop some alpha. Kathy says JP Morgan backs it, I believe. I'll look deeper into that. Everyone's saying that's the JP Morgan coin. Interesante. Interesante. Guys, let me know some altcoins you guys want me to do some TA on. See you guys mentioning SHX. SXA Stronghold token. What's this thing about? 52 million in market cap. Oof, only 5% circulating supply. That's no bueno. Gotta look at, let me change my little camera view over here. 52 million market cap. Only 5% in circulating supply. That's not good. Gotta see when those token unlocks happen. And now you can expect a lot of downward pressure and you can get caught or your pants down. But what is this thing about? What is Stronghold talking about? Financial services, API enables legacy generation. Payment Stronghold's currency is used for real-time settlement, discounted fees for business customers, rewards, and merchant cash. See, let me check out the website here. Most tokens store SCH creates it. Let's see. Climate friendly crypto. Yeah. Not liking that, I can tell you that. I don't see anything too unique about this thing here. But I gotta look deeper into this before I can give some deep thoughts. I see it has a lot of partnerships or whatever. But want to do some crypto TA here, guys. Crypto TA, let me know. On YouTube right now it says, do you have any thoughts on Vela exchange on Arbitrum? Let me look that up. Come on, man, scroll. Let's go to ecosystems. Let's go to Arbitrum. And you said it's called Vela. The boiling crypto says long cock in you. That's right, baby. Let's go. If you're not bullish on cock in you, I don't know what you're doing. Cock in you is probably the most bullish. Cock in you and Kimbo are probably the most bullish meme coins out there right now. You said it's called Vela. Not seeing it here under its ecosystem. VELA, huh? Let me just search it. Vela Exchange. Oops. Missed my cup. Okay. Either market cap is not working. Coin market cap is at 0 market cap. That's interesting. Yeah, it has a fluctuating price. That's interesting. Volume is 428,000. That's extremely low. Total supply 10 million. Max supply 50. Synthetic options. Self custody. Where does it say that this is built for Arbitrum? Or okay, contract Arbitrum. Okay, I see it here. Okay, let's jump over to the website. When the thing about these dexes, when it comes to these dexes, and you know, all these dexes on these different ecosystems, the ecosystem needs to grow. If the ecosystem has explosive growth, right? So let's jump over to DeFi Llama real quick, and let's see what the TVL is looking like on Arbitrum. If we see the ecosystem growing and blowing up in a certain crypto, then the DEX is built on those cryptos for those particular ecosystems will probably explode in value as well, right? I just published the video. It's on TikTok. I haven't published it on YouTube yet. I will publish it on YouTube after I get off the live, about three projects that I'm extremely bullish on that are all pretty much DeFi protocols on Bitcoin and the Bitcoin network, and I'm bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem. I know TVL and money going into Bitcoin is a no-brainer, so therefore, why wouldn't I be bullish on those cryptos that are building DeFi platforms? So let's look at Arbitrum here. So Arbitrum's TVL is at 3.7 billion, which is great. This thing has been growing massively throughout the 2023. As you can see, it's been growing and growing. That's very good. So as the TVL here grows and we get more ecosystem growth in Arbitrum, a decentralized DEX on Arbitrum itself to trade these different tokens. Let's jump into the exchange itself. Oh, you can long and short. That you can see here. I can move my camera around. You can long and short. Let me turn off my Telegram before it starts blowing up. You can long and short, which is cool. You don't usually see those type of options on DEXs. So you can decentralize trade here. That's actually very, very bullish in my opinion. Not something you see every single day. Longing and shorting, limit, stop market, stop limit. You can full on trade, but through this decentralized application. This is extremely bullish, man. Extremely bullish. Thank you, Nick, for dropping that gem here in the chat. I'm telling you, I love it when the chat drops some alpha, man. I love it. Extremely bullish. Decentralized trading. That's what I'm talking about. Because it doesn't just keep you locked into the ecosystem. It just allows overall trading and being decentralized, not having to keep your money on centralized exchanges and locked up. You're having full custody in your wallet. You're just connecting your wallet, making your trades, and taking your cash with you is super, super bullish in my opinion. So guys, you know, Vela exchange is definitely one to keep an eye on. Apparently, I'm gonna be putting that on my. I'm probably gonna be putting that on my portfolio here pretty soon. Obviously, not financial advice, just what I'm doing. Guys, smash those likes, hit that subscribe. A lot of people that watch me on YouTube, over 60% of people on YouTube are not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. It's at Blockchain Crusader on YouTube, and everybody over here on the Tickety Talkety as well. Smash that like, hit that subscribe. What site is that? I'm using GMC on DYDX. This is Vela Exchange on Arbitrum. Vela, VELA. Clay the Great in the house. What's going on, Clay the Great? So self-frame post, quantum resistant blockchain. Check them charge, brother. What's it called? Self-frame? I'm gonna see. You guys are dropping all the alpha today. Self-frame. Let's go. 27 million market cap. I like it. You guys keep dropping these low cap gems, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 94% of the circulating supply is already out. 94% of circulating supply is already out, which is extremely bullish. Only 30 million tokens in max supply, 29 million total. Let's freaking go. I'm liking those tokenomics, let me tell you. And let's say, what is this about? This is built on Ethereum. Cellframe is a scalable open source next generation platform for building and bridging blockchains. Cellframe offers an environment of enterprises and developers, vast priority, yada yada. Let's jump over to the website. Sometimes they put more words than they need to. Build and manage quantum safe blockchain solutions with Cellframe SDK, staking, launch masternode. Ooh, very interesante. What is the Cellframe network? It is a scalable open source. We offer environment for enterprise, other blockchains on top of Cellframe network. We believe that the next paradigm of blockchain technology is mass adoption, and our platform strives to expand the use case associated with blockchain technology. How is the Frame network different? It's built with a unique implementation of dual layer sharding, conditional transactions, multi-party computations, and allows seamless interoperability. This is since our platform is built from scratch using plain C, programming language C, TDApps. I've never heard of TDApps. Built on our SDK can be executed on anything from enterprise level mainframes to your smart fridge at home. Oh, very interesting. C is a very applicable language to a lot of hardware. So let's see. Where can you even get Cellframe? Cellframe you can buy on Sex.io, CEX, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, MEXC. Okay, I'll probably pick it up on some MEXC then. Dropping the alpha today. Shout out to the chat today on YouTube and TikTok. Dropping that alpha, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's take a look at some charts. My freaking lamp is in the way. Hold on, I can't see. Here we go. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, Solana. Solana right now got back over above 104, which I told you guys was going to be very important. And right now we're fighting this local high resistance right here at 109. 109 is resistance. We take that level out and we're moving back up to the next local highs at 121, baby. 120 is the next local high. That's going to be the next point of resistance. So meanwhile, we flipped that 109 into support. 120 is on the way. Meanwhile, Bitcoin keeps pumping. 121 Solana is back on the charts. Trey says, how do you feel about XRP? I think XRP is trash. I think XRP sucks. People have been holding that thing for over 5 years, expecting and waiting for the switch to be flipped, and it's going to take over the SWIFT system, and it's going to take over the dollar, and it's going to be the world reserve asset. Man, you guys should be happy if that thing gets to $5. If that thing gets to $5, you should be happy. But I think XRP is full of garbage, and it's past this time. How you really feel? H-bar. H-bar is another one. H-bar is another one. Give me a second. Yeah, a lot of these ISO 20 coins, ISO 220, they build these cult-like followings because everybody thinks they're doing something great, something special. But HBAR's technology is not anything special. Phantom Network has the same technology, nothing great. They have all these council members on HBAR and all this Fugazi, and yeah, I'm sure they'll perform well. They'll do all right, but it's a lot of it is overrated, overhyped. Not saying it's not going to perform well. I'm just saying a lot of hype, a lot of cult-like mentality. Gala token can't move. Yeah, Gala token's got terrible tokenomics. That's the problem with Gala. Look, let's jump back over here to Coin Market Cap. Let me show you guys something. There's no max supply. Circulating supply is 27 trillion. Total supply is 29 trillion, but there's no max supply. They can just keep making more, right? Let me show you something else. Mizari, or that's probably not how you say that, but I'll show you something else. The problem is that they've also gone through some internal problems between the founders suing each other and all that jazz. Let me see. Let me show you here the market. The supply. Look at the supply increase, man. Look at this thing. This was 2023. We were at 7.5 billion tokens. In May of 2023, we're at 7.5 billion. 24 billion by the end of May. Massive token unlock, right? And since 2023, since then, this thing's been increasing and increasing and increasing. We're at 32 billion circulating supply right now, which is higher than what coin market cap is actually reporting. Coin market cap is reporting 27 circulating, but if we go over here to Mizari, which does a lot more in-depth analysis, circulating supply is 32 billion right now as of February 5th, 2024. That's why it can't pump, because the supply is just growing, has been growing way too quickly. Too much inflation into the token. Terrible tokenomics. Great project overall in what they're trying to achieve with games and crypto gaming. But man, they need to get the tokenomics under control. If they can create some type of burn mechanism or something, they need to do something to fix up the token mechanism, the tokenomics, to really get Gallo rocking and rolling and moving again. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys watching on here. If you want to jump and watch the whole show, better format, right? Go check it out on YouTube, Blockchain Crusader over there. And if you want to jump into my private Telegram, go ahead. Get you guys all the questions answered, keep you guys up to date. I've been holding Filecoin for a bit now, thinking of transferring it into Arweave. Thoughts, not NFA. I've heard a lot of great things about Arweave. I personally haven't done a deep dive on it, but Filecoin's been around a long time as well. You know, it's just one of those that just likes to pump sometimes. I think they're both pretty good, but it has to depend on your what your portfolios are already looking like. Thoughts on Multi-X? Multi-X is used to be called Elrond. Multi-X, yeah, it used to be called Elrond, or Multiverse X used to be called Elrond. Very bullish on this crypto as well. 1.5 billion market cap. It's a larger market cap crypto. Circulating tokenomics really good. Total supply is 26 million. Max supply is 31 million. 84% of circulating supply is already out there. They built a very small but pretty strong NFT ecosystem back when NFTs were booming. I don't know what they're up to right now. You know, I don't know what their ecosystem's looking like, what have they been building and working on throughout this bear market. I haven't kept up with them, but they performed really well for me in the last bull run. I did hold a small bag of it. It did very well. And then I sold it all and bought some helium miners with all the profits of it. Clay the Great on YouTube says, GGP AVAX play. Let me search up what GGP is. GGP, Go Pool. Go Pool, $2 million market cap. Ooh, very small market cap, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Circulating supply is less than 1%. That's pretty crazy. But let's see, what is this thing even about? This is a decentralized staking protocol built to help Avalanche subnets launch faster through liquid staking and GGP. GGP is the native utility token that is used for lowering the AVAX staking cost of a validator node. Staking to be matched with AVAX from the deposit pool and used in governance to make decisions about the protocol. Wow, that's a lot of utility, to be honest. And I'm super bullish on Avalanche. Clay the Great is my AVAX expert that I consult with all the time. So he's definitely got the alpha. let me look at the website for this thing. Gogo Pool subnet made easy. Launch a validator node or stake AVAX instantly. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. All right, pretty cool. Liquid stake. You stake your AVAX. And then you receive GG AVAX. Become a validator with Mint ROI calculator. Let's look at what the ROI calculator looks like. Let's see what kind of things they're promising here. Number of mint pools, a minimum of 1,000 AVAX for a mint pool. Okay, so the number, let's say just one, right? 1,000 AVAX is no joke. That's a lot of money. And collateral, GGP stake. What's the calculation here? Rewards of the mining pool. Okay, you'll be being rewarded practically monthly reward in AVAX 3806, which is pretty much in AVAX a month. Is that what I'm seeing? Is that monthly GGP reward, monthly reward amount in AVAX $38, which is one whole AVAX right now. Monthly reward in monthly reward in amount in USD is 38 AVAX. 38 AVAX, not one AVAX. Holy smokes, I was looking at that wrong. I was thinking about dollars. That's 38 AVAX monthly. Monthly reward amount in USD is $1,000 500. Holy smokes. But 1,000 AVAX is no joke, because right now one AVAX is almost at $40. So 1,000 AVAX at, let's just round up to $40, is $40,000. And if you're making 1,500, is that what it said? 1,552 or something like that. It's gonna take 25 months. It's gonna take 25 months to get your ROI on that investment of 1,000 AVAX. Obviously, as AVAX continues to increase and goes up, it does very well. Results with Gogo Pool, you will earn 30.45% more APY than solo staking using these parameters. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. But obviously, you're going to need a lot of money for one of these mini pools. But their token, the GGP token, is looking very, very useful. Has a lot of utility involved in a very, oh man, did I close it out? Okay. A very small $2 million market cap, up 17% on the day. You can only purchase it on Trailer Joe, which is the DEX for Avalanche. Dude, let's go. Up 40% in the last 7 days, 36% in the last month. Freaking's had an amazing run. Let me tell you, nice little pump in this last month. Great pump here in the last 7 days, mostly. Last 7 days went from $11 to $15. GGP, so one's gonna have to keep on my radar, man. I'm loving the alpha here today, guys. We talked about Vela Exchange. We're talking about Cellframe. We've talked about GGP on AVAX. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. That's what I'm talking about. That's the real alpha right there. ICP is only going to the top 58, I think, this year. All right, let's just do some ICP. Let's do some ICP TA here, because I do have some TA for this bad boy, and I'm extremely bullish. Let's go, baby. We're above that point of control. Let's freaking go. Above that $12.96. We're at 13.23 right now for Avalanche. For ICP. These next levels here. All right, next local high here is at 13.87. Well, we almost wicked up to it here, and we got rejected. We're trying to break above this. There's also a wick here at 13.30. Something. We're below that. We wicked right above that here. Let me see. Let me mark it for you guys. Turn the magnet on. Here we go. Right. These levels right here are resistance from local highs, from local wicks that we've had in this range back here. But this is the main target. The main target is $14.44. If we can get above that, we're going to be getting back above the highest local high that we had back here in the beginning of January, I believe it was. Yeah, the beginning of January. If we get above that and actually flip that into support, right, we can flip this line here of $14.44 as support. Let's freaking go. And we can stay above that. We're entering a new range back from 2022 or 2023, I believe. And this range is massive. It goes from $14 all the way as high as $26. Obviously, we're going to have some some other local highs and some other local levels to look at as resistance in the meantime. But this huge blue zone is what I want ICP to get into. If it gets above that 1478.3, 1445 area, we start holding support above there, let's freaking go. We start ranging in here. This thing's gonna freaking run and rip, and we're gonna be jumping into a whole new range, way bigger range that's way more massive for ICP. That's what I'm looking at for ICP. So I think ICP had a token dump today or tomorrow. Let me check that out. Let me see. Token. Let's look up token unlock. Token unlock. Yada yada yada. Let's see. ICP. Request token. How can ICP not be on here? Come on, bro. How can ICP not be on here? There's just no way that this isn't on here. How is this not on here? How is ICP? Do I have to write out the name? Okay. This is pissing me off. ICP token unlock schedule. Come on. Crypto rank. Here we go. Crypto rank should give me the information too. Oh, let me put night mode on this thing. Okay. So their vesting schedule. Let's see. When was it? February. Pre-sale, early backers. Okay, so it's to be unlocked. There's going to be on February 10th, as you can see here, February 10th of 2024. There's going to be from the seed round and private sale, strategic round. There's going to be an unlock of about $2.7 billion, which is about 179 million tokens for ICP. So that's going to be a pretty big unlock that's going to be happening. Well, that's actually today. So today's the 10th. That's actually happening today. At some point, I guess that's happening. So yeah, massive shout out. Thanks for dropping that out there. So if we get some price drop or whatever because of that, because some, obviously some selling pressure from that unlock, that could happen. And maybe ICP has a little bit of a drop, but overall, I think ICP is still very, very bullish, extremely bullish on ICP. As you can see, ICP is dropping a little bit right now, but nothing major, nothing crazy. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys watching right now here on TikTok and on YouTube. If you're not in my private Telegram, go jump into it. The link is in my bio, or the link is in the description if you're watching on YouTube. And smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Buy the dip says only temporary, says buy the dip. It's just getting listed as a private coin guarantee. Oh, I'm trying to catch up with this chat. ICP has way too much hype. You can get 20 to 30 X's on other alts. Yeah, you can definitely get 20 to 30 X's on a lot of alts, right? There's a lot of options. There's a lot of ways to make money in crypto. A lot of different tokens out there. We just talked about like 4 different tokens I've barely even ever heard of here on this live stream alone. But the long story short is the ICP technology is very great. It is really good. It definitely is a contender to continuously grow and be in the top 15, top 10 in this bull run because of the technology that's been built. It just needs the ecosystem to grow, and needs developers to continue to go back into ICP, continue growing, continue to interoperate. Bitfinity, I think is Bit Infinity or whatever it's called, which is going to be collaborating with ICP and Bitcoin's ecosystem and bringing DeFi to ICP, that's going to be very huge. And when that does happen, and you can start getting TVL and you start getting more DeFi and dApps being built on the ecosystem of ICP, that's going to be huge. ICP doesn't have DeFi as of right now, to my knowledge, for that reason. But Bitfinity is going to change that, and therefore, I think ICP is going to do very well. I think ICP is one of those that's just undervalued. It has a lot of bad rap on it. But yeah, I agree. There's definitely other altcoins out there you can 20, 30x. We literally just talked about 3 different coins that are below 20 million market cap. One was 3 million. 2 million. The other one was like 20 million, 40 million market cap. Obviously, all of those, if they perform well, are are gonna melt faces. ICP to $58. I think ICP. I think ICP could hit $58 very easily in this next bull run for sure. OSEC is new BRC20 that is setting new highs every day. Let me check that out. Said OPSEC. OPSEC is up 27%. Market cap is 23 million. 42% up in the last week. 177 up in the last month. Circulating supply is fully out. 100 million OPSEC. It's built on Ethereum. Thought you said that this was a BRC20 token, my friend. I thought you said this was a BRC20 token, my friend. Oh, unless I'm looking at the wrong one. Unless I'm looking at the wrong one, which is possible. That could definitely be possible if I'm looking at the wrong one. Appreciate every single one of you guys on YouTube watching. Hit those likes. Greatly appreciate every single one of you hitting those likes and sticking around and watching. Trying to get monetized on YouTube. Trying to get my 3,000 watch hours on YouTube so I can get monetized. So I greatly appreciate everybody here on TikTok. If you guys want to support me, come on over to my YouTube channel at Blockchain Crusader on YouTube and help me get that 3,000 watch hours, man. Help me get those 3,000 watch hours. How long have we even been live for? I think we've been live for like what? 20 minutes or something? 37 minutes, but who's counting? Just kidding. I'm not counting. It's just the software tells me right there. All right, let's look at some of these new chats. Got him confused. Some alpha. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, because OPSEC is definitely not a BRC20 token. What do you think about trying to make 15 to 20% on your money per trade using limit orders? 15 to 20%. Look, man. So I've been doing a lot of trading lately. I can show you guys here my trades, my closed P&L. Everybody jumps in thinking, hey, I can just make $100 a day, right? If I put in $1,000 and I trade with $1,000, if I just get 10%, that's over, that's $100 a day. And eventually I can multiply that and grow that, and I can make a lot of money and just be a full-time trader. Let me tell you, I've been learning how to trade for the last 6 months, and it's been excruciating. Lots of information, lots of things to learn, lots of different indicators, just a lot of different strategies. You got to find what works for you. And from everyone that I know that are either multimillionaires because of trading, right? Like I'm friends with Crypto Lifer, I'm friends with Magic Internet Money, I'm friends with CVO Crypto, I'm friends with Crypto Face, I'm friends with all the biggest crypto traders ever. You have people watching me on TikTok right now. People watching on YouTube, they know. The people watching on TikTok, you guys probably don't know because I've dedicated the last 2 years to be on YouTube exclusively. I haven't really been focusing on TikTok, but we have a YouTube channel over there called Crypto Wars. And every Monday we host a show called Trading Wars, and we bring 10 of the best and biggest traders in the whole entire crypto space to come trade live on the show, competing against each other for a season of about 4 to 5 weeks, and only one person walks away, right? Every week we eliminate 2 people, and at the end of the competition, only one person stands. This next Monday is the finale between the top 3 traders: Crypto Face, Evan Aldo, and what was the third person? Crypto Blood. They're going to be trading. They're going to be facing off to see who walks away with the title for season 3. So that being said, trading is difficult. Trading is hard. It takes a lot of time, a lot of months, a lot of years to become full-time profitable to the point where you can consecutively take out 10 to 20% in trades daily, weekly, monthly, whatever it is, whether you're a swing trader or a scalp trader or day trader. All depends, a lot of different strategies. All I'm saying is, long story short, it takes time, it takes effort. You're not going to get it right away. You might have some beginner's luck, right? And you might feel like you're on a good streak, and everybody in a bull market feels like a genius when they're trading. But let me tell you, when the things change, when volatility changes, when the markets take a shift, if you don't really know what you're doing, you're gonna get wrecked. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful of calculating how much leverage you're using, your limit orders, your stop losses, your risk management on these trades, and really be sound on the TA that you're doing to be able to execute on some leverage trades to be able to go and get some money, right? I've been able to do pretty well the last month or so on this trading platform over here on LevX that I've been using, but it takes time. It's just like crypto, right? A lot of people jump into crypto thinking they're going to get rich overnight. A lot of people jump into trading thinking they're going to get rich overnight and that they can just do that full time and not worry about anything else. It's not realistic. You're going to get wrecked if you're not careful, and it takes months to years, definitely years, to be a very proficient, profitable trader. So not saying don't become a trader. I'm definitely trying to encourage you to be a trader, but I'm telling you the honest truth to your face, just how the honest truth was told to me. And I would rather tell you the brutal truth than tell you a beautiful lie and have you get wrecked and lose your money. So I've lost thousands of dollars trading. I've made money trading. But regardless, it's going to take me multi-years to be a full-time trader where I'm 100% profitable, on most of my trades. So if you're trying to become a trader, just go into it with that mentality. That's going to take a very long time. You're not going to become a profitable trader and get rich overnight just trading in the next couple of weeks or months. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's go back into the chat here. I've been getting wrecked and I feel sad about it. I need to learn better how to trade. Yeah, man, crypto guy, it happens, dude. I've gotten wrecked too. It happens. It's one of those things. You just got to shake it off and keep going. Definitely, if you want to learn how to trade, jump into CVO's trading group. That's the guy I learned from, CVO. His trading group is called Leading Crypto. Search him up on TikTok or YouTube. On YouTube is Leading Crypto. On TikTok, I believe it's just CVO. Paul Sampson, CVO. Check him out. Go into his trading group, and he probably will teach you everything you need to know. That's where I've been learning all my TA skills. Oops, sorry about that. Just smacked the mic. Greatly appreciate all the likes, guys. Greatly appreciate all the likes. Ready? I didn't know. I told you to let me know. You ready? All right, guys. The wife is calling. I got to go before I get in trouble. We're going out. It's Saturday night. Everybody enjoy your Saturday night weekend out there. And crypto's always going to be here tomorrow. It's always going to be here later. We're going to continue pumping. We're running for that 50K, baby. Let's go. I think Bitcoin's going to pump past 50K, but we will see here. So like always, until next time, question everything, trust nothing. And see you guys. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and stay up to date with all my content on TikTok and on YouTube. And if you want some more direct access to me any time of the day, join my private Telegram. The link is in my bio on TikTok, and the link is in the description on YouTube. So that's about it, guys. See ya.